Apple CarPlay is a smart, safe way to use your iPhone while driving. It allows you to integrate your iPhone with the infotainment system of your Kia Sportage, providing a streamlined interface to access various apps and features directly from the touchscreen display. Before you can connect Apple CarPlay in your Sportage, you will have to fulfill a few requirements. You must have an iPhone 5 or newer device with iOS 7.1 or newer version. You must have a high quality or original iPhone Lightning cable. Make sure the cable supports fast charging and high-speed data transfer to ensure smooth CarPlay performance. Make sure Apple CarPlay is enabled in your iPhone. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, Allowed Apps, and turn on the slider button next to CarPlay. Also enable Siri and Dictation if you want to use the Hey Siri feature, which allows you to control your phone through voice commands. After activating Siri and Dictation, open your iPhone settings and select Siri and Search. Ensure that the three options, Listen for Hey Siri, Press Home for Siri, and Allow Siri when locked, are all turned on. Now your iPhone is ready for Apple CarPlay. Now you also have to enable Apple CarPlay in your Sportage. Turn on the ignition or start the engine to power up the infotainment system. Tap Setup icon on the home screen, then tap Connectivity. In the connectivity settings, tap Apple CarPlay in the left menu, then tap Enable Apple CarPlay. A confirmation message will appear. Would you like to enable Apple CarPlay? Web link will be disabled if Apple CarPlay is enabled. Apple CarPlay requires and works best when you turn on and enable Apple CarPlay on the iPhone, install the latest version of iOS, and have good network signal strength. Tap on Yes to activate CarPlay. This Kia Sportage has USB Type-A port. But my original iPhone cable is USB Type-C. If you are faced with similar problem, know that you do not have to buy a new data cable just for this little incompatibility. All you need is a reliable USB Type-C to Type-A adapter converter. This will allow you to use your existing iPhone cable with the Type-A port in your Sportage. Now connect your Lightning cable to your iPhone. And then plug the other end of the cable into the USB port located in the center console under the climate control switches. Agree to any prompts that may appear on your iPhone or on your infotainment system. A green Apple CarPlay icon will appear on the home screen. Tap on it to launch Apple CarPlay. Now you can use your iPhone apps directly on your Kia touchscreen. Use navigation, make phone calls, send messages, and listen to music with ease. Using Siri with Apple CarPlay enhances your driving experience by allowing hands-free control of various functions. There are several ways to activate Siri while using Apple CarPlay. Simply say, "Hey Siri." Now look at the left side of the steering wheel. You will see a button with human face symbol. This is the dedicated voice command button for the infotainment system. Pressing this button will activate Siri Smart Voice Assistant when Apple CarPlay is connected. You can also activate Siri through the touchscreen. Tap and hold the home button on the CarPlay interface. You can now give Siri voice commands to control features and access information hands-free. Here are some examples. You can make a phone call.
Hey Siri, call David.
I can't seem to find a good connection.
You can send a text.
Hey Siri, send a text to David.
What do you want to say to David?
Hello.
Your message says, "Hello." Do you want to send it or change it?
Send.
It's sent.
You can get directions.
Hey Siri, navigate to the nearest gas station.
One option I see is total petrol station on Ghazi Road in Lahore, less than a kilometer to your east, and it gets 3.04 stars on Foursquare. Want to try that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to total petrol station.
You can play music.
Hey Siri. Play Cornfield Chase by Hans Zimmer.
I couldn't find Cornfield Chase by Hans Zimmer in your Apple Music library. You can ask me to play a radio station, or ask for your music on a different app.
You can check calendar.
Hey Siri. What's on my calendar today?
There's nothing scheduled today.
You can set reminders.
Hey Siri. Remind me to call David at 9 p.m.
Okay, I added Call David for this evening at 9 p.m.
Now let's take a look at a few customization options available for your Apple CarPlay. Tap the settings icon in Apple CarPlay. You can activate driving focus if you want to mute some alerts or notifications. In appearance setting, you can force dark mode or choose automatic to automatically switch between light and dark mode depending on ambient lighting conditions. You can also change the background wallpaper. Browse through the available wallpapers and select the one you prefer. Under Siri and Suggestions, you can enable or disable suggestions in Dashboard. When Automatically Send Messages option is enabled, Siri will send messages faster without asking for confirmation. If you want to use the car's multimedia system when Apple CarPlay is active, just tap on the Kia icon. And that is all. Connecting Apple CarPlay in your Kia Sportage is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wiz Joint for more automotive tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.